Irashaimase. Welcome. Welcome back to Nappy Cat. We're so glad that you can join us today. And somebody has such cute little wings. Yes, there's cute little wings. In today's video, we're going to talk about a really special kitty who is a polydactyl kitty. Polydactyl kitties have more toes than normal. And I used to wonder if he might be polydactyl because he seems to have an extra little claw. But now I don't think that he necessarily does, because to be polydactyl, they have to have a little pad for the paw included. Well, Jinx is a beautiful polydactyl cat who's a beautiful black kitty. And Jinx is known for being a kitty sweetheart. So what makes Jinx so special is that his polydactyl nature is such that the way that his little toes are formed, it makes it look like he has an extra paw. They're divided a little bit at the top, and he's got a full set of little claws and little pads, so it looks like he's double pawed on each paw. Yeah, how would you like that, Nuffy? How would you like to have two paws in one? But these little areas in here, if he'll let me touch, on the inside, it looks like he has a little paw that's coming off there, and I think it's really neat. He was originally a stray kitty. Yes, and he was being cared for by the Kansas Humane Society. So as you know, he's from Kansas. He was already becoming famous, the Humane Society's website. And he ended up being adopted within a day, already getting that viral. Yes, by a person named Rebecca O'Connor in Wichita, Kansas. She has a foster home there, but she actually adopted him. Yeah. Jinx, like so many little guys, is very intelligent. He's a very curious kitty. And he's known for exploring the house cabinets. I remember kitties from my childhood exploring the house cabinets, and even my little Siamese Sheba, she used to like to explore the cabinets too. Yes, so far, his antics have been limited to the bookshelves. But Jinx is really unusual and is a very famous kitty now, and I had to share him with all of you. Thank you all very much for watching this video today. If you like the contents of our videos, don't forget to take those paws and paw that like button. You can paw the subscription button and see all of these cute little wings. Such cute little wings. And he's holding this little wing, everyone. Notice that. Somebody's holding the wing. And you can paw the notification bells. Paw all when you paw the notification bells, and you can see all